Hello and welcome everybody to day 15 of our devlog series. Today I kind of checked the interaction system and every kind of it and decided this one was kind of better. Like rather than 3D, press E to interact, I chose it to create it in the screen. As you can see, when you press E, it interacts. I just changed the UI of everything. I added a box collision for the location. And I used timeline for the door. It was the first time I used it, so it took a little bit more time and it needed to. I added bed and door to the building system as well. I still don't have any other icon. So that's kind of all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Today I haven't done a lot because this timeline actually take much more time than it needed. But it is what it is. I had adjusted some building parts as well. They weren't snapping very well. I made the trace channel a little bit bigger and things like that. I changed the rock stone to collect. The other one was too big. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you later.